Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this Samsung Galaxy Watch FE that I got for my wife for her birthday recently. So I got this in the pink color because she likes pink. So as you can see right here, here's what it looks like after it's out of the box. Now she's gone ahead and switched it out with a different band, as you can see, which it was pretty easy to switch out. She did it herself. But here's the box it comes in. And then here is the band that it actually comes with that she switched out like I said on her own. So it does come with this pink band, and then it does come with this wireless charging cable right here. Basically the watch just sits on this after you plug in the cable. Okay, so I got this started up. This is the customizable watch face that my wife has downloaded through the Facer app. Once you're on your home screen, to get to your apps, you just swipe up, and then there's all your apps. And then to scroll, you just swipe down or up till you get to the app, until you see the app that you want, and then you'll just tap it to go to it. So like I'll just tap on the maps here, and then Google Maps will come up. And then to get back to your home screen, you hit the home button right there, and you're back at your home screen. So if you swipe up again, and get you back to your app. So if you just want to go back, you can hit the back button there on the bottom too. And then this is your power off button also, so you hold that down to power it off, hit the power off button, and then it turns off. So here's your instruction booklet on the inside, basically your quick start guide. So basically when your watch is on, as it is right now, this top button is your power and your home button, and then this bottom button, as you can see right there, is your back button. Tells you how to put your band on and release it. But this is just a quick little simple quick start guide that you'll want to follow too when you get it. But